Millions of people spend thousands of dollars and countless hours using harmful beauty products to keep their skin obviously looking vibrant and young. But there's a better way. Making sure you have hyaluronic acid can keep your skin glowing while also benefiting your joints, bones, and tissues. All of this without those harmful side effects of toxic skin products. Believe me that in the last couple of years after its discovery, this natural substance has become incredibly popular and the thing that we all need to use every single day if we can. So in today's video, I'm going to reveal some of the most impressive health benefits of using hyaluronic acid for your skin and joints and how to make it in your body to stay healthy naturally and effectively. Hey guys, Dr. Gus here, naturopath, acupuncturist, conventional doctor, and founder of drlandivar.com. In this channel is a conventional doctor to my patients through natural medicine before recurring to the use of pharmaceutical drugs. So if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing and press that bell down below to see notifications and be the first one to watch a new video. If you need learn important quality supplements for your disease, visit drlandivar.com and stay till the end of this video. I'm going to share extra tips and video links related to this topic. Hyaluronic acid's function is basically to retain water in an attempt to keep our tissues and joints well lubricated and moisturized. Most of the times, we don't want this to happen, but in this case, retaining water is something we need to function properly. This is one of the reasons why we see wrinkles disappear with the use of hyaluronic acid. Our joints, our bones improve, everything improves. The recent scientific discoveries with regards to its benefits, the benefits of hyaluronic acid, have made the substance incredibly popular. Something that can improve your skin moisture, your joint pain, acid reflux, bone health, you name it. So in today's video, I'm going to reveal some of the most impressive health benefits of using hyaluronic acid for your skin and joints and how to make it in your body to stay healthy naturally and effectively. Number 1, it retains water on your skin and frees you from wrinkles. In skincare products, hyaluronic acid has been used as an humectant, a substance capable of holding onto water inside. Using it can hydrate the outer layers of your skin and thereby improve the skin's appearance. Skin that is hydrated is usually more radiant and youthful looking, and that's a secret that hyaluronic acid has. In fact, one of the most well-known benefits of hyaluronic acid is its capability of reducing wrinkles within just a couple of weeks. This benefit is one of the main reasons why this substance has become incredibly popular in the past couple of years after its discovery. By the way, it's invaded the beauty market, making its way into creams, liquids, and even capsules. Now, although it's more commonly used in creams and liquids, dermatologists are now using as prescription injections containing hyaluronic acid for a better effect inside the skin. Now, there is a secret, because it becomes even more effective when consumed with hydrolyzed collagen and nicotinamide, two substances that can potentiate all these factors in your skin and make those changes. So if you need a good quality hydrolyzed collagen and nicotinamide substance for beauty repair and skin health, look for collagen and nicotinamide Renew Skin from finding it at drlandivar.com. Number 2, promotes a smoother, more beautiful, and healthier skin. Before we ever knew about hyaluronic acid, the body was already using it to produce that skin and make it smoother, more flexible, and healthier. This substance is so important for the skin that roughly half of all the hyaluronic acid in your body is present specifically inside your skin, where it binds to water and helps you retain moisture. Taking 120 to 240 milligrams per day at least once a month can be significant for your skin and skin moisture. That's all you need, but better if you take it every day. If you want to produce it naturally in your body, try consuming great amounts of bone broth, for example, citrus fruits, leafy green vegetables, and carrots or onions. All these help. I have an entire video on how to make bone broth if you want to check it out right after this episode, something you might want to look into. Number 4, hyaluronic acid relieves eye discomfort and dryness. Suffering from eye conditions has become very common in the last couple of years, especially because technology is forcing our eyes to work a lot harder with artificial lights. 1 out of 7 adults suffer symptoms from dry eyes due to the reduced tear production. And believe it or not, hyaluronic acid is often used to treat dry eyes, alongside obviously other ingredients, but it helps. It's excellent for retaining moisture and improving eye health. Eye drops that contain 0.2 to 0.4% of hyaluronic acid have the power to reduce dry eye or dry eye symptoms. This substance is so effective that contact lenses are now containing a slow-release hyaluronic acid content because it helps. So now you know, if you can, try to take a hyaluronic acid supplement. Even better if you take a quality formula that can improve your eye health along the way. Look for Visofar from Finland, something that contains every single ingredient for your eyes, more than 10 ingredients specifically designed for eye repair and eye health. Number 5, hyaluronic acid soothes the acid reflux we might have. Millions of people suffer from gastritis on a daily basis, and thousands of these people struggle with acid reflux. Now, the good news is that new research has proven that hyaluronic acid supplements can also reduce symptoms of acid reflux. You see, acid reflux occurs when the content of your stomach is regurgitated with acid, obviously acid reflux, and this is what gives that constant burning sensation to our esophagus. If you take hyaluronic acid, it helps heal, it helps lowers the symptoms, and helps you stay healthy. Something you might want to try. If you need something specific for the health in your stomach, against gastritis, and even as a bacterial formula that can help you improve health overall, look for GI Balance, Probillion, and the enzyme from Finland at drlandivar.com. Number 6, it speeds up wound healing. Our body uses hyaluronic acid to speed up and improve that wound healing. And we didn't know that in the past. By the way, this substance is naturally present in the skin, and its concentrations increase when there's damage and needs of repair. Hyaluronic acid helps wounds heal faster because it regulates inflammation and obviously signals the body to build those blood vessels to the damaged area. Applying it to the skin can also reduce the size of wounds, decrease pain faster, improve that beauty on the skin, and that's not all. Because this substance is also used as an antibacterial that reduces inflammation and reduces infections with open wounds. It's also been seen to be effective with combating gum disease. It speeds up healing, eliminates ulcers found in your mouth. I mean, it does all sorts of things. Very, very important and very, very useful if you want to repair any part of the skin. And help out the channel by giving us a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. If you have any questions, leave your comments down below. I'll be happy to assist you. If you need quality supplements for your disease or line an appointment, visit drlandivar.com and check out these other videos with stopping valid information that might prevent a serious health condition in the future. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you soon.